The future of AI and machine learning on Cisco UCS. AI and ML are now key technologies. They drive innovation in every sector. As data-driven decisions become crucial, firms are using AI, ML. They seek insights, better automation, and higher productivity. Cisco Unified Computing System, UCS, is a scalable, integrated architecture. It is well suited to support advanced AI and ML workloads. This video explores how Cisco UCS is shaping the future of AI, ML. AI and machine learning. Current trends in enterprise workloads automation. AI, ML technologies are increasingly used to automate workflows. It boosts efficiency in areas like customer service, chatbots, maintenance, and supply chains. Data-driven insights. AI analytics help firms gain deeper insights from their data. This improves business decisions. AI-powered solutions improve customer experiences. They allow for personalized interactions and recommendations. This helps businesses increase engagement and satisfaction. Cisco UCS, optimized for AI and ML workload scalability. As AI, ML models grow, Cisco UCS offers easy scalability. It lets organizations add more computing and storage resources as needed. Unified Fabric Architecture. Cisco UCS's unified design helps streamline AI, ML deployment. It combines networking, computing, and storage into a single platform. This reduces complexity and improves efficiency. Collaboration with Nvidia and Intel. AI-powered innovations. Nvidia GPUs. Cisco UCS uses Nvidia GPUs to speed up AI, ML tasks. This cuts the time needed for training and inference. These GPUs are great for deep learning models. They need massive parallel computing power. Intel AI solutions. Cisco also uses Intel's AI-focused processors. They are designed for more efficient AI inference and training. Intel's AI workload optimizations complement Cisco UCS's infrastructure. Together, they provide a complete solution for AI, ML projects. Conclusion. As AI and ML transform industries, we need strong, scalable infrastructure. Cisco UCS is a reliable, future-proof solution. It can support complex AI, ML workloads. Its high-performance computing and scalability make it vital to AI. Enterprises want to deploy AI, ML models in the cloud, at the edge, or in their data centers. Cisco UCS provides the flexibility and power to manage and scale these technologies. AI and ML on Cisco UCS have a bright future. They will help organizations unlock AI's full potential in a fast-changing digital world.